Hey guys, remember when I said I was gonna be consistent on posting? That obviously went well. It's been about a month since I filmed a video, and someone will not take a nap, but I have to get a video up. So if you hear any background noise, that's just Sophia, because she's refusing to take a nap today, aren't you? Yeah, she might just pop in and out of the frame all the time. But sorry for not being consistent at all and staying true to my word. But I'm going to really try. I'm going to pre-film a few videos today so I can get them up on a weekly manner, probably. But today, we have an Ofra mystery box. This was a part of their 12 days of Christmas that they have, where they have like deals on random things every day. And this was on sale for $20 one day, and I was ordering a Christmas gift from there already. So I just decided to go ahead and order it. So we're going to unbox it. I think it's supposed to have like $100 worth of value in it, but either way, 20 bucks is probably the price of like one Ofra item. So I'm pretty excited to open it. I think I definitely opened it the wrong way, but oh well. So, Ofra, let's just got some bubble wrap in here, so we'll see what we got. So the first thing, oh my gosh, I'm excited for this. First thing is a highlighter, I think. They bubble wrap everything, which is great, except for that I can't get it open. What? Ow! You gotta stay in there. Here. Ow. Look what we got. Isn't that pretty? We got the, oh, it's an Ofra and Madison Miller collaboration in Moondance. It's really, I think there we go. No, it's not so washed out. It's really, really pretty. So we're gonna swatch that. See what we can see. That's really pretty. Oh, nice. Isn't it pretty? Yeah, you gonna put it on? I really like that, and it's actually like light enough for my skin, so I appreciate that. You showing them your makeup? Okay. All right. Sit back down. Okay. The next thing that we have in here is a blush. It's also the Madison Miller collab they had. I've never used an Ofra blush before. This is in the shade All You Need Is Love. I think Ollie's the name of one of her dogs, but I'm not for sure. It's just like a nice peach color, and we'll swatch that too. So that should be good. I do like peach blushes a lot, so we'll do that. And I'll leave the prices like down here in the description, because this doesn't have a like price sheet or anything to it. But I think that we've already gone over $20. The next thing is an Ofra long-lasting liquid lipstick, and I'm not really sure the shade, but it's pretty dark. It's in the shade Amsterdam. It is a dark purple color. So we will see that. I don't know how much wear I'll get out of that, but it's pretty. That was a horrible swatch, but it's just a nice dark purple color. So it's kind of like a mauve color, mauve plum. Dark mauve plum color. You want to put it on? Sophia's going to model it for us. Alright, let me see your lips. No, your lips. Oh, you want to swatch it too? Oh, there we go. Can you show him your swatch? Show it to him. Oh, yes. Good job. You want to put some on? Mm-hmm. Okay, here. Watch out. You're in the way. No. Okay. You want to put some on? No. It's lipstick. It's lipstick. Okay, then we're done. Can you tell she's two? Just immediately gets mad over everything. Alright, and the next thing is these Ofra Cleanse It Off cotton lip wipes. So they have 15 wipes in it, and I guess it's specifically made for your lips, which is nice because liquid lipsticks can be hard to get off. Yeah, so it says for liquid lipsticks, which this is kind of handy, but I'm sure it'll also take off just normal makeup too. And there's one... You gotta be quiet. There's one more thing in here. She keeps fighting me for this. It is an eyeliner, just pencil eyeliner in turquoise. It's kind of messed up. I don't know if you can really see very well. Also, sorry for my nails. They do not look great. But there's a swatch. Oh, it's really creamy. I think that'll look really good in the waterline. If you use it. So that was everything in the box. I unboxed that way faster than I thought I was going to. Okay, we'll put some on you, okay? Ready? Just ding, 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 ding.
No.
Okay. No, look, try it. Okay, show them how you put it on. Beautiful, you're so pretty. Okay, you want to try the blush on? Okay, that's it. Show them how you put it on. Okay, and lipstick.
No.
It's lipstick.
No.
Look, here, I'll take some from this. Ready? Let me see. It goes in your lips. Okay. Alright. Oh, I really missed your mouth, didn't I? Okay, so that was everything that came in the box. It came with 5 items. And honestly, I think that's pretty good. I would have been fine with just even the highlighter and the blush. And I like that it's the Madison Miller collab because I do watch her YouTube channel, and I didn't get any of these. I'm probably most excited for the highlight, but the blush is really nice. And then the wipes and lipstick, which isn't a shade that I don't really wear, but oh well. And then I'm excited for this turquoise eyeliner. So that was everything in the Ofra Cosmetics box. I'll leave somewhere in the video or in my description of the prices of everything and the total value. But we obviously got way more than $20 worth of stuff. So I'm really excited. Next time they do a mystery box, I might get it too. We also got a sample with our order, which is vitamin C cream. So that's exciting, isn't it? Okay, I know this video was obviously not very silent because of Sophia, but I hope you guys subscribe and you like the video and her crazy antics. I'll probably do a get ready with me with those because I still need to film like the life update get ready with me. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!